like a Hellcat.
Hello guys, welcome back to my new video, and today I'm going to show how to hack Subway Surfers, which is 100% working. So first open Google and type android.ru. Guys, and then search Subway Surfers. Then click this. Then just scroll down and you will be able to see three options, and in this the third one is the hacked one of this. Guys, and just click download. It's just 108 MB. I have already downloaded this, so let's see how it works. Guys, just see the money and keys and the skating boards. Let us see. Guys, see these two. Guys, and let's see more things. Guys, see this. See the number of skating boards. Guys, this is 100% working and trusted one. Thank you guys, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe.